Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and my name is Ethan. I am an aspiring content creator and I create tutorial videos and random stuff, and I'm happy that you visited my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay your Tala loan using Gcash. So the first thing that you're gonna do is to log into your Tala mobile app to get the reference number, because that is required when you make a payment using your Gcash account. So I assume you already have a Tala account and you have your PIN, so you have to enter it. Alright, so right now I have here my loan account and I have a loan for 2,100, and we're gonna pay that one right now. So we have to remember the amount. So there are two things that you have to remember when paying your Tala loan using Gcash. The first one is the amount that you will be paying, and then the reference number. So in this case, I have my loan for 2,100 that's gonna be due on the 7th of September. So I'm paying it a couple of days earlier than its due date. So it says here it saves me 60 pesos when I pay that today. So that's what we're gonna do. So click on make a payment. Alright, so instead of paying 2,100, we will only be paying 2,040 pesos. So remember that amount, and then go ahead and click on make a payment. Actually, there are several options where you can pay your Tala loan, but just for convenience purposes, we're gonna use Gcash since we have Gcash on our phone. So click on Gcash. So we were supposed to be paying 2,040 pesos, but it now becomes 2,060 pesos because there is a 20 pesos convenience fee. So we have to remember that amount. And then we also have here the reference number. So that's what we're gonna copy, and we will copy that one to our Gcash app. So that's already copied. Now okay, we have the two information. We have the amount, the payment amount, which is 2,060 pesos, and then the reference number. So let's now go to our Gcash app. So I'm just gonna cover some of the information on my account just for the security of it. So we are now logged into our Gcash account. So to pay the loan, you go to bills, and then you go to categories. There is a button that says view all, and then on the search box you have to type in Tala. So it's here, select the one, and then we're gonna enter the amount. So the amount was 2,060. So in this process, you will be charged 10 pesos by Gcash for the bill pay service. So technically, you are already charged 30 pesos in total just for paying the loan. So, you know, it's really not convenient at all, but it is what it is. We're gonna pay the one, and then just enter the reference number that we copied from your Tala app, and then enter your 11 digits number, the one that you registered on your Tala. I'm gonna enter my number, and then enter your email address, which is optional, but I'm gonna enter it anyway. It says here protect your bills now, but that's actually an insurance of your payment. I usually do not tap that one because that's just gonna add extra cost. And then just go ahead and click on next. Alright, we're now on the summary page. So it has the reference number, the phone number, and then the email address, and then you just have to click on confirm. Alright, that has been paid successfully, and it's gonna be posted on your Tala account in 1 business day. So do you think it's wise to borrow money from this online app? In my experience, no, actually the interest is quite high. That's why I had to pay it right away. The reason why I took the loan is because I wanted to check if this is really helpful to people that has financial problems, but in my experience, I think it's just gonna worsen your financial status. So I would not recommend to borrow money from any of the online lending app. How about you guys? Do you have any suggestions, or do you know a legit online lending app that can offer very low interest and at the same time it does not collect a lot of charges when you pay them? Please comment down below. I'd love to hear your feedback and your comments, and I'd like to know what are your experiences and what good did it do to you. That would be very helpful for the rest of other users, or to those who are planning to take advantage of their loan. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you follow me. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye.